In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete many Gmail accounts. First, let's open Gmail. You can do this by navigating to your preferred web browser. Type in the address for Gmail, which is gmail.com, and hit enter. Once the page loads, you will see the familiar Gmail interface. This is where you manage all your emails. It's important to note that you need to be signed in to the account you want to start with. If you are not signed in, please do so to proceed. Opening Gmail is the first step to accessing your accounts and preparing to remove the ones you no longer need. Once you have Gmail open, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. This is a small circle that typically displays your initial or your chosen profile picture. Clicking on this image is essential as it will allow you to view all the accounts currently signed in on your device. This step is crucial because you'll want to ensure that you are managing the correct accounts. Once you click on your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear, showing the accounts associated with your device. Next, you will see the option labeled Sign Out. Click on this option. This action will sign you out of all the Gmail accounts that are currently logged in on your device. Signing out of all accounts is a necessary step before removing any specific accounts. This helps to clear the session and ensures that you can manage your accounts without any conflicts or issues. After clicking Sign Out, you will be redirected to the sign-in page, confirming that you have successfully signed out. From there, you will need to tap on Remove an account if you no longer want them listed. In this context, you will see the option to remove accounts that are still displayed. This option may appear once you sign out. It is important to choose this option as it allows you to specify which accounts you want to remove permanently from your device. By doing this, you eliminate clutter and ensure that only the accounts you wish to keep remain visible. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you need to access your preferred accounts quickly. After you have tapped Remove an account, you will see a list of all the accounts that were previously associated with this device. Here, you will select the specific account you wish to remove. Simply click on the account you want to delete. Once you have selected the account, a confirmation message may appear. This is a good moment to double-check that you are removing the correct account. Removing the wrong account can lead to unnecessary complications, so it is always good to be sure. Once you confirm the removal, click Done. This action will finalize the process of removing the selected account. You will likely see a confirmation message indicating that the account has been successfully removed from your device. This makes sure your changes are saved and that you now have a streamlined list of accounts. It's always a good practice to double-check your remaining accounts after this process to ensure everything looks correct. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to delete multiple Gmail accounts from your device, one at a time. Remember, while it may seem tedious to remove accounts individually, this process ensures that you have complete control over which accounts are accessible on your device. Thank you for following along and happy emailing.